So, you want to integrate ClickBank with GetResponse, but you're not sure how to set it up properly? Well, you're in the right place. Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, while also pointing out a few things you need to watch out for, especially if you want to avoid common mistakes that can hurt your email marketing. And at the end, I'll share an exclusive free trial of a better alternative that makes this process even smoother. Let's get into it. First, you need to connect ClickBank with GetResponse using API integration. ClickBank doesn't have a direct built-in integration with GetResponse, so you have to use their Instant Notification Service, INS. Go to your ClickBank account, navigate to Vendor Settings and GT, My Site, and scroll down to Advanced Tools. Here, you'll need to enter your GetResponse API key and set up your INS URL. To find your API key, go to your GetResponse account, head to Tools and GT, Integrations and AMP, API, and generate a new key if you haven't already. Next, configure your GetResponse settings so that new ClickBank customers are added to your email list automatically. You'll need to create an automation workflow inside GetResponse. This ensures that every time someone buys from your ClickBank link, they're instantly added to the right email list and get the right follow-up emails. Inside GetResponse, go to Automation and GT, create workflow, then set up a trigger based on a new subscriber or API event. This part is crucial because if you don't set this up correctly, you'll miss out on valuable leads. Now, here's the catch. The integration isn't perfect. One issue is that ClickBank's INS doesn't always send data instantly. Sometimes there's a delay before a customer is added to your list, which can lead to frustrated buyers wondering why they haven't received their email. Plus, GetResponse's automation builder is solid, but not as flexible as some competitors, which can be limiting if you need advanced segmentation or personalization. If you run paid traffic or have a large email list, you'll also want to set up double opt-in to avoid low-quality leads harming your email deliverability. But be careful, forcing double opt-in can also lead to lost leads if they don't confirm their subscription. This is where you have to decide whether you prioritize deliverability or conversion rates. And here's something most people don't mention. If you're serious about affiliate marketing, GetResponse is a decent option, but it's not necessarily the best. Some platforms offer better automation, better deliverability, and better integrations without the API headaches. That's why I've linked an exclusive extended free trial to a much better alternative in the description, plus a few other options that work better specifically for ClickBank and affiliate marketing. If you want an easier setup, more powerful automation, and higher email open rates, definitely check those out. Hope this helped. See you in the next one.